LightFlex by Sunoptics. The information in this presentation is confidential and proprietary and intended for internal company use only. The content may not be used, reproduced, or distributed without the express written permission of Acuity Brands Lighting. Founded in 1978, Sunoptics is a leader in high-performance prismatic daylighting. Sunoptics high-performance products have been installed in several 100 million square feet of buildings worldwide, making them a leader in harnessing the power of the sun to supplement electric lighting and reduce energy consumption and cost. There's no better efficiency than off. We want to bring our proven energy savings technology to a broad audience as economic and environmental concerns continue to make front-page news. For this reason, Sunoptics has focused on building types that can reap huge benefits from daylight harvesting, big box retail, distribution, warehousing, and manufacturing. Energy savings is a critical need in today's built environment. Efficacies are rising with solid-state lighting products, and lighting controls can help to avoid wasted light and unnecessary cost. But what about user satisfaction and the needs of the visual environment? Exposure to natural light has been shown to increase productivity and user satisfaction in buildings that have windows or skylights, but not all buildings have the luxury of open clearance to the roof deck or banks of windows to access natural light. In this photo, we can see the difference in the visual environment provided by natural daylighting. The lobby shows white, bright, diffuse daylight with even illumination on the horizontal and vertical surfaces. The adjacent hallway seems dingy by contrast, with warm fluorescent lighting that creates shadows and hotspots, as well as the cave effect of unevenly lit walls. How can we bring all the environmental and economic benefits of daylight to interior spaces where windows or skylights cannot reach? These photos give an idea of what daylighting can contribute to a space. This first photo shows a classroom illuminated with electric light from above and side lighting through large windows located on each side of the space. The feeling of the space is greatly improved with even illumination to the ceiling wall junction, giving the room an open feeling. The second photo is even more dramatic. Although electric lighting is present, it doesn't appear to be on. The natural light coming through the windows as side light and through the ceiling as top light fills the room with even, diffuse light, saving energy and money. This works well when your facility is a single story with direct roof access or a perimeter room with fenestration opportunities. But what happens when you're not in one of these locations? Are you doomed to be a cave dweller? Let's look at some typical applications that probably meet the IES requirements for light levels for the tasks intended to be performed in each area. This hallway could be perceived as brightly lit, but obviously the building owner is paying for the energy to operate the fluorescent wraparounds. And this office, even though it may meet the recommended foot candle levels, would you be comfortable working in this space? This office suffers from a syndrome common when using direct component-only lighting. Scallops of light high on the perimeter walls give the space the cave effect and make occupants feel trapped. Skylights are great when you have clearance to the roof deck, but what about the majority of office space and classrooms? Look at this reflected ceiling plan of a typical office. Recessed 2x2 light fixtures are in nice, neat rows and columns. This doesn't tell the whole story. Add the other drawing layers and you see that the drop ceiling space has sprinklers for fire safety, ductwork and diffusers for HVAC, not to mention communication, security, power, and other systems snaking through the plenum. How do we get daylight, a free and unlimited resource, into a space like this? How much natural light is enough for a typical office or classroom? A bright sunny day in, say, Boston might be too much light if you're projecting a presentation. The same city on a winter's day may not provide enough natural light to read by. How can we take into account all of the variables in weather conditions, longitude and latitude of building locations, building orientation, structure, and architectural details, and incorporate natural top lighting? LightFlex, tubular and straight shaft daylighting luminaires designed for suspended ceiling applications with a focus on commercial office and education. This type of product is not new. Solitube has owned the market for years. Our strengths lie not only in the design details of LightFlex, but in Acuity Brands' unique position to integrate our daylighting delivery innovations with our electric light and controls products to provide a complete daylighting solution. Let's look at the anatomy of the LightFlex tubular daylighting device. The LightFlex daylighting system uses the patented Signature Series Prismatic skylight, which is highly efficient at capturing low-angle sunlight, allowing daylighting for more hours per day and more days of the year in more geographic locations. The system comes standard with a conventional square roof curb, delivering industry-preferred flashing methods. The LightFlex 21-inch tubular daylighting device, or TDD, includes the patent-pending optic sphere, a high-performance reflective light well, and optional adjustable elbows to bypass obstructions. The device is available in 2-foot by 4-foot and 4-foot by 4-foot straight shaft designs with the same high-performance light well. The LightFlex daylighting system is available either N-Light enabled or with LC&D control systems, allowing integration of daylight and electric lighting for energy savings and the creation of an adaptable visual environment. Light control louvers allow adjustment of the amount of light entering the room, as well as daylight darkening for visual presentations or compliance with night sky requirements. The LightFlex daylighting system features optically designed diffusers in photometric distributions and aesthetics that complement electric luminaires, providing seamless transition between sources. Choose from a variety of Acuity Brands LED or fluorescent luminaires to complete the lighting design. As Acuity has a breadth of electric lighting luminaire and control protocol offerings, Sunoptics has a breadth of top lighting luminaire options. This is not a one-size-fits-all product source, but a solution provider that can analyze an application and supply options for bringing natural light and energy savings to a project. Connectivity of electric luminaires to daylighting through controls for a complete solution designed to fit the customer need. The key is tied to lighting controls, as it's the only way for daylighting to work effectively as a lighting source as well as an energy-saving measure. Acuity is the only true total solution provider for top lighting. This is a specification opportunity that our competition cannot offer. The complete package from one source, engineered to work together as a system. Let's review a few of the product attributes that make the LightFlex series so adaptable. Tubular and straight reflective light wells are available to make the most of a variety of ceiling conditions. 98% reflective Alinod Miro silver material provides superior transport of light. The patent-pending Prismatic optic sphere uses prism-based optics to maximize light capture and drive the available light deeper into the light well. Both tubular and straight configurations are available with optional louvers for complete daylight control through the use of Acuity Brands controls from LC&D or sensor switch. Lens options to match the latest Acuity Brands fixtures for seamless integration into commercial and educational facilities. LightFlex by Sunoptics, the daylighting series we are discussing today, is specifically designed for drop ceiling applications, making it ideal for commercial and educational applications. Sunoptics also makes products for open ceiling applications, like big box retail and warehousing. These products are not all for new construction either. Retrofit opportunities abound as building owners look for new ways to reduce energy costs, improve the visual environment, and bring natural sunlight indoors for the comfort and well-being of occupants. How does daylight fit into our overall corporate strategy? The Sunoptics product offerings are key to providing a total solution to our customers. As building codes continue to strip allowable watts per square foot from new construction and renovation, Acuity Brands is the only lighting manufacturer to put the pieces of the puzzle together to make daylighting, electric lighting, and the ability to control both to bring energy savings and systems integration to market. Combined with Acuity's fixture brands and controls from LC&D and Sensor Switch, it is the solution we are presenting, not just the individual products, that brings value to our offering. As previously mentioned, the major competitor of Sunoptics LightFlex is Solitube. The technical details shown on the screen and available for download are test results, warranty and specification data that are critical for an apples-to-apples comparison of the two products, but there are critical details left off of this appraisal. Solitube is not a lighting company. Sunoptics by Acuity Brands brings with their solutions an intimate knowledge of daylighting, electric lighting, and controls to optimize a system. Solitube does not. For example, Solitube offers a single control solution, a low voltage, double pull, double throw manual wall switch to operate the optional louvers within their products. You can also obtain the Solitube Daylight Dimmer Integration Guide, not available on their website, but only from an authorized Solitube dealer. This guide details third-party control solutions and states, warranty information and technical support of all non-Solitube components will be provided by the lighting control manufacturer. Solitube offers as their complete lighting solution 3000 degree Kelvin LEDs located within the tubular daylight device that can be manually or automatically switched when the daylight no longer meets the minimum value, whatever that is. When sufficient daylight is present, these LEDs are off. This is not continuous or tunable lighting control. The LEDs are either on or they're off. The sudden jump from 5000 degree Kelvin daylight at 100 CRI to 3000 degree Kelvin LED light at 80 CRI must be startling if someone is present when the switch happens. Solitube offers only two lensing options on their commercial daylighting systems, a flat prismatic lens or a clear Fresnel lens. They have additional options for use in residential applications. Sunoptics LightFlex by Acuity Brands offers not only the highest performing, most versatile tubular daylighting device on the market today, but offers additional expertise in electric lighting and lighting controls to make the most of your clients' energy dollars. Code and Dark Sky Initiative compliance, the potential for contributing to LEED certification, and a harmonious and adaptable lighted environment are all benefits of a daylighting system optimized to work together. Additional information is available for LightFlex or other Sunoptics product offerings by visiting the website at sunoptics.com or acuitybrands.com. View white papers and case studies, download BIM files, review contact information and resources, including layout and design assistance, and how to help customers earn LEED points with daylighting and controls. Also, check out Daylighting University, held every other month in either Conyers or Sacramento, offering a front row seat for you, your specifiers, and installing contractors to experience Sunoptics products firsthand. A new resource coming soon is the LightFlex iPad app that will allow you to demonstrate the operation of controllable LightFlex in conjunction with matching aperture Lithonia electric light fixtures to view Acuity Brand solutions in action in office and classroom spaces. Thanks for taking the time to learn about Sunoptics LightFlex by Acuity Brands.